Hello guys, welcome back. So today is the second day of learning Excel or Google Sheet from the very beginning, from the level 0. So today we are going to learn relative and mixed referencing. So in the previous video, if you guys have not watched the previous video, please do watch that video. So this is kind of the level 0 of Excel or Google Sheet. Uh, and I am telling you guys, if you want to master these Google Sheet and Excel, you need to know these basics. These are very important. Actually, I have talked with many professional, even CA, CFO, and they say that these are the basics that student don't know, and if they don't know these basics, they are not going to go into the advanced level. So I'm telling you, just watch this video. If I'm going to share this sheet, please practice it. Without practicing, you are not going to learn anything. Okay, so in the previous video we learned about relative referencing. What is relative referencing? I'm just recapping it. So if I use equal to and take any reference from this cell, let's say this is C and this is 3 C3 cell, and if I enter it, I can see the same value I can see here. So this is relative referencing. And now today we are going to learn something mixed referencing. So first of all, let's understand the data. Here we have monthly patient visit summary. So in the department, these department, there are categories are there. So uh, for the January month, uh, like 120 patients have visited. Okay, now what is happening, this is going to change. Here monthly change is given. So in cardiology, change is going to happen 10. That means if in January 120 visits for patient visited, then in February 120 plus 10 will be visiting. Okay, so how we are going to like calculate that? So first of all, I am going to reference this January's uh, patient visit count. So this is 120, right? But I have to add the change. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use plus, and then I'm going to reference this B13 cell. Okay, if I enter it, okay, and drag this down. We learned about dragging in the previous video. If you haven't watch that. So if I drag this down, you can see here 20 plus this cardiac 10 has been added. Okay, and this is the cardiac, so it should be 20 plus 10, 210, right? This is correct. I'm checking this. 300 plus 10, minus 10, actually minus 10, so it is 290. So this is correct. But once I will drag this in the next month, i will get I will get wrong numbers. So it should increase each month by 10, but here it has been increased, but here I can see it has not been increased. Why? Because when I'm dragging in this cell, we have C3 and B13, right? So when I'm dragging this cell towards March, now this the like C3 has become C4 here, and B B13 has become C13, and in C13 there is no value. Okay, so what it will do, it will take this 130 plus 0, it will give me 130 only, it will not increase. So for that, what I'm going to use, going to use dollar sign. Very important, please do practice. Going to add dollar sign before B. So what that does mean, that means this column will be fixed. This column B will not, if I drag this formula towards EJH column, this B will not change, but because before 13 I have not used any dollar sign, so this 13 can change to 14, 16, 17. Okay, now I'm just showing you. So if I drag this towards this, now it has become, for like 10 is increasing here, 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 and here, right? So what happened here, because this one was like I have not fixed anything, this one was changing. Here it has D3, right? Here you can see E3, here you can see G3. But in the second one, here in the B13, I have fixed that B column, so this B column will be fixed, so it will not change to C or D. Okay, now I drag this down. If I drag this down, this B will become B13 will become B14. B is not changing, but this 13, 14 is changing. Okay, uh, so here 13, here you can see 15, here you can see 16. But if I drag this towards this 16, this 14 will be there, but B will be B. It is not changing to C, right? So very important concept in financial analysis, MIS, like in anything. Like if you want to learn Excel, it is the most important topic that most of the like student forget to cover. Okay, so I'm doing, I'll just select this whole calculation, and I'll just drag this towards, and here my calculation is ready. So I have used, relative referencing and mixed referencing here. Now here in the total visit, what I'm going to do, I am going to sum this. So total visit cardiac, so here to here, add and enter, and then just drag it down, and I'll get the total. In emergency, you can see 161, 1650 is there. Now total number of visit. So how do you think I can calculate this total number of visit? I can calculate this using sum, and I can take this sum of all these visits. So total number of visits is 6075. Average number of visit per department. Per department. So here I'm using average function, very easy average function you can get here, and like a department wise visit I am taking. So on an average 1012 visits we are getting per department. Okay, so the max, I for that I'm using max function. I'll again take this referencing, and max number of visit for any department. So max number of visit is 1650, and that department is emergency. Okay, and minimum, okay, mean number actually. Okay, so for that I'll use mean function, min. Okay, open the bracket and take the reference from this and enter. So this is how you are going to solve. Please do practice this, and if possible I'm going to give you link of LMS where you can submit it, and if you want guys to check these, we are going to check, so don't worry about that. But first of all, practice it. We are going like this is a long way. uh, this is the very beginning of learning or leveling up your skill in data analysis, Excel expert, MIS executive. So first of all, first cover these things, then later on, once your basics will be strong, it will be easier to grasp the advanced level. So do practice it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.